Right now, Indonesia is entering an aging society. According to Badan Pusat Statistik, more than 33 million people in Indonesia are elderly. And this number will continue to grow in the next 10 to 20 years. But the real issue is not just about how many elderly people we have. But the bigger problem is that many of them are still financially dependent on their families. And because of this, we are seeing the growing phenomenon called the sandwich generations, where the people in productivity age must support both their children and also their parents at the same time. This creates financial pressure, emotional stress, and in the long term, it can affect the stability of families. But here's something interesting. What if the problem is not the elderly themselves, but the system around them? Many elderly people actually have years of experience, knowledge, and also skills. But they're not given enough opportunity to stay productive. Most existing our programs only focus on protections like health, social assistance, but not on empowering them economically. So, in reality, we're not lacking resources. We are just not using them properly. This is why we propose the Gerak Lansia. Gerak Lansia is not just about the program, but an ecosystem that helps elderly people become active again, especially in today's digital era. The idea is very simple. Instead of seeing elderly people as dependents, we help them become contributors. How? First, we build a simple digital platform that is easy for elderly people to use. On this platform, they can share their experience, their skills, give advice, or even do a mentoring. And many of them used to be teachers, business owners, or professionals. And their knowledge is still valuable, but currently is not connected the right system. Second, we create collaborations between generations. Young people can help the elderly how to learn the technology, and while the elderly can guide and mentor the young generations, and this creates a two-way relationship, not just helping one side, but benefiting both. Third, we introduce what we call a knowledge-based economy for the elderly, or we know about the silver knowledge economy. This means elderly people can earn income not from physical work, but from their knowledge and also experience. They can do a mentoring, consulting, and teaching in a flexible way. Now, let's talk about the impact. When elderly people become more independent, the burden on young generations will decrease, and family will be more stable. And at the same time, elderly people will feel more valued, more active, and less isolated. Research also shows that when people elderly stay socially active, their mental health and life satisfactions are being improved. So in the end, Gerak Lansia is not just about solving one problem, but it connects multiple issues at once. Aging populations, economic pressure, and social gaps between generations. Because maybe the biggest mistakes we make is thinking that elderly people are a burden, when in fact they are the one of greatest untapped resource we have. Thank you for hearing my presentations. My name is Adriel. Through Gerak Lansia, we're not just helping them, but we empowering them to become stronger. Bye-bye.